Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Atom editor on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Atom, and the first link which will appear here will be from atom.io. So I'm going to click on this link, and straight away on the main page you will be able to see this download button. So I'm going to click on this download button, which is going to start the download of this Atom setup -x64.exe file. So I will just wait for the download to complete. So once this Atom setup exe file is downloaded, I'm going to click on this file and let me minimize the browser. So when I click on the exe file, the installation of Atom will start automatically. So you can see Atom is being installed. It will launch once it's done. So you don't need to do anything, just wait and watch until this Atom editor is downloaded. And now I can see directly after the installation process is complete, Atom editor has been launched on my Windows 11 operating system. So you can see it's going to look like this. Also, when I minimize my Atom editor, I can see that this Atom editor shortcut has been created on my desktop. You can also pin it to the taskbar by right clicking on your Atom editor icon and then click on pin to taskbar, which is going to pin your Atom editor on the taskbar. Now let me just show you a few things about Atom editor. So if you want to open or create some file in your Atom editor, you need to add a folder. So click on add folder from here, or you can click on open folder from here. So I'm going to click on add folder here, and then I can create one folder, for example Atom folder, and then click on select folder, which is going to select this folder. So inside this folder I can create a new file by right clicking on it and then click on new file. And then let's say I want to create a new Python file, so I'm going to name it as hello.py and then press enter, which is going to create my file. Now here I can just write print, and then in the parentheses I'm going to just write hello world, which is the very simple Python code. And then I can press Ctrl S to save my file. And you can also install the support for different programming languages on your Atom editor. So when you click on packages, it's going to show you the list of all the installed packages. And you can also install packages by clicking on this install a package button. But if you have closed this window, then what you can do to install a package, you can press Ctrl Shift P, and it's going to open this kind of search bar. And here you can just type install packages and themes, and you can click on this option which says install packages and themes option, which is going to open this window. And from here you can search for the packages. So for example, I want to install some package related to Python. So I'm going to search for Python here, and it's going to search for all the packages which are related to Python. And then on the right hand side here, I can see the number of downloads. So I can see IDE Python have the most number of downloads here. So I can trust this, and also it's from Atom community, right? So I can install this package, which will help me to develop my Python code in a better way. Also, if you want to know more, you can click on this package, and then you can choose the browser on which you want to learn more about this package. And then you can get more information about the package you want to install. From here, I can also configure my editor and other Atom editor related settings. Also, if you click on package and then click on command palette and click on toggle, it's going to show you this search bar once again, right? If you want to search something inside your Atom editor file, you can press Ctrl F, and it's going to open this kind of search window. Here you can search and replace the keywords using this option, right? So you have the find option, find all option, replace and replace all option from here. So you can use this to find and replace things in your Atom editor. So this is how you can download and install Atom Editor on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.